Hey guys, welcome to Ray's Place, and today we are going to Universal Studios. Not today, the day after tomorrow.
Yep.
Did I say it right?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm going to teach you how to pack our bags if you're going to Mexico, San Francisco, Monterey Bay, the Monterey Beach. I'm going to tell you. It's like a puzzle. Like three little pigs puzzle. I love camouflage. That's why I have weird camouflage pants. It has camouflage boots. And the reason why my socks are in here, because the socks or the boots don't take that much space, so you want to put them in here. So we got my cool Cars, the Queen Cars bag with Vader on it, and it sparkles.
Oh yeah.
Orange. And now we have my, I always think this is a soccer ball because it looks like a soccer ball. Oh, sorry. See, look at this. Okay, let's take it out.
You like that one?
Yeah, it looks like a shark ball, my favorite sport in football.
Okay.
Now we got my cool, that's for cold.
I think they're both for cold, right?
Yeah, they're both for cold. This is my cool sweatshirt for cold. It has cool buttons, has a little cool pocket there.
Mm-hmm. What else you got?
And we got like a cool colored hoodie.
Is that what you're gonna wear to the beach, or where are you gonna wear that?
If it's cold at Universal Studios, I'm gonna wear that. If it's cold or hot, I like wearing my jackets if it's hot too.
Okay. What else you got?
I got my shorts. It's my favorite colors, and white and blue. I don't know. I think it's just light blue, dark blue. And it has little pockets. And these are for the hot weather, how it's outside.
Is it hot outside?
Pretty cool outside.
Oh.
You can see the sun. Can you put them to the sun?
The sun? Yeah, it's behind all those clouds. Yeah.
I see the sun over here too.
Okay. What else are you packing?
These are for cold weather and hot weather. My cool shorts, my favorite color, blue and beige.
Mm-hmm.
Now we have my dinosaur pajamas. See, I'm gonna eat you up like always. Yum 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 yum. Look at it. Now we got my cool dinosaur pants. We got a volcano.
Are those your PJs for nighttime?
Yeah, and we got this T-Rex, and we got a Triceratops, we got a Stegosaurus, and we got a little bit of bones right there.
Oh, cool. What else are you packing?
And this shirt is called, this shirt is We'll Trade Brother for Wi-Fi. I want to trade my brother for Wi-Fi.
You sure?
No.
Well, how would you watch YouTube? Mm-hmm. Yeah, think about that. Might be a good trade.
Yeah.
Okay. What else you have?
We got Chill Vibe.
Mm-hmm.
Little sleeve.
You gonna wear that to the beach? Looks like kind of a beachy shirt.
Yeah, kind of. And now we got Luke Skywalker with the little lightsaber.
What's that for?
Shang.
What's that for?
It's for the plane ride, so I don't get bored.
Okay.
And now we have my glasses, my cool. This guy looks like he's watching a fun French fry movie. The French fry is like, yes, it's a fun movie. And this pizza looks like he's in a band. He's like, oh, yeah, with shocking glasses. Oh, yeah. And this guy looks like this, whatever it's called, burger. Looks like he's just relaxing. He's like, oh, I'm fine with my patty. And this guy looks like he's watching a kid. He was like, oh, this guy looks like he's watching like a really rated and scary movie. He's like, don't kill me, don't kill me. And this is, oh, we already did it. And we got my swimming trunks. The reason why I have floaties is because they can't swim that well. And we got black and orange, whatever these got. Shorts.
Swim trunks.
Yeah, swim trunks. Now we got my sand toys. We got like a bucket. We got 2 shovels, and we kind of got some like shapers in there.
Mm-hmm.
And now we got like a little watering can, and we got like a little thing to find treasure. What if I find coins over there?
What are you gonna do with the coins?
I'm gonna keep them for my piggy bank.
Okay.
If they're chocolate, I'm gonna throw them back in the water. Okay. Disgusting. And we got my backpack.
Mm-hmm. What's that stuff in the middle, right there, right here? What's that?
What, this?
Yeah.
What's this? Oh, these are my sandals.
Mm-hmm. What do they say?
Look like a boss.
Oh. What are you gonna do with those? Wear them at the beach, maybe?
Yeah. And these are glow up in the dark, as you can see. Kind of like white.
Mm-hmm.
And we got a selfie stick for our videos to take a selfie, like selfie. This is how big it goes.
Whoa, it's bigger than you are.
I know.
Now what else we can do that with that stick? Can I see that? Whoa, we can attack the babies. Attack.
And then we got my cool little rubber band. No excuses from school.
Mm-hmm.
As you can look, get a look. No excuses, pink one.
Mm-hmm.
And we got the black one with the green writing on it. Teachable.
What does that mean?
I don't know what it means.
Teachable?
Yeah, teachable.
It means you can be taught.
Okay.
You can learn things.
And this
What is
is inspire others.
that what you like to do?
Yeah.
Are you gonna wear those at Universal Studios?
No, kind of not, because I don't kind of want to. This is how I pack my bag. And I'm going to go on some rides, some cool rides, jaw rides, Transformer rides. There might be some cool Transformer rides, like Transformers the last night. They might have it. And some shark rides, some jaws rides, and I hope you tune into those. And we're going to take some videos on the rides, everything. And I'm going to go to Universal Studios. So, peace out, bibbly bop, bibbilla bop.
Are you okay?
Yeah.